Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I am your teacher Ms. Gohar and once again I welcome you all with the virtual learning program. This is our 5th week video and my dear students, as you all know that we have already done with our all topics including learning letters A to P. We have done with the sounds and recognition. Now let's do the revision of match the objects with related sound. For example, here you can see letter A, B, C and some objects. Now what you are going to do? Let's match the letter A with the same object apple, match the letter B with the object balloon and match the letter C with the relevant object, that is cake. Yes! My dear students, now it's time for home task. Do practice of this given topic at your home. I hope you liked the video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.